Now we're going to learn how to download a ringtone to your Sony Ericsson phone. Okay, so I just sent a ringtone to my phone. First thing I'm going to do is, okay, you can see that I received a text message, so read now. I go yes. Then I'm going to go down to the link, and I'm going to press the center button. And now it's going to load, connect to the internet. Make sure that you have a data plan so that you can download ringtones from Myxer. You have to have a data plan. So this just will take a second to connect. Also remember, anything marked on Myxer no charge is no charge, so download as much as you want. So now I'm going to go down to download ringtone. Come up here in a second. I'll press the center button again. And it'll start downloading in a second. And remember, you can set a different ringtone for each contact in your phone so that you always know who's calling. So, download a ringtone for every contact. Just a couple more seconds here. Alright. Saved in sounds on memory stick. Use now. I'm going to click yes. And then I can play the song if I want. Press the center button. And then it starts playing. Stop. And then I'll go down and set as my ringtone. Ringtone changed. You're all set. So keep downloading. Later.